Angie in real life. Angie in real life with one L. I am your hope dealer and your purpose pusher.
The youngest of 4 children. Her parents divorced when she was 2. And her mother remarried shortly thereafter and had an additional 4 children. Parker's stepfather was a truck driver, was often out of work. So the future starlet took up singing and dancing at a very young age to help supplement her mom's teaching income and to feed their 10-person family. Despite hard times and occasionally being on welfare, Parker's mom continued to encourage her children's interest in arts. Y'all, keep promoting y'all kids. Keep encouraging your kids no matter what, okay? Okay. The family moved to Cincinnati, where Parker was enrolled in a ballet, music, and theater school on scholarships. When she was 11 years old, the family took a trip to New York City so Parker could audition for a Broadway play. The trip was a success. She and her brother were both cast, and the family relocated to New York City. Parker continued to work.
I hope you guys enjoyed that little clip of me chopping it up watching me on Lit TV this morning. So right now, I am just creating a flyer. I hope your guys' day is going well. Everyday living with Angie in real life. Again, I'm still working on the studio, and yeah, that's what we're doing. That's what we're doing today. I realized that in my videos, y'all, I be too close. Y'all be all up in my grill. So now I'm creating a flyer on to advertise my show that's on TV Monday through Friday. Did y'all hear it? My show. Monday through Friday at 10 o'clock. So I'm making a flyer that I can share with you guys. So that's what I'm doing now. I have a t-shirt to make today. More organizing. I haven't had breakfast yet, but of course I'm sipping on coffee. Don't look at my TV. I need to clean it. And I really, I need an HDMI cord, y'all. I need to go find one somewhere. But yeah, so anywho, I hope you guys are having a great day. And I hope if you haven't had a chance to go watch my other vlogs, go check it out, y'all. Hey y'all, it is lunchtime. Your girl is hungry. Your girl is hungry. So guys, I am heating up some leftover crabs. I don't know how many of them I'm going to eat, but I'm going to work on this pot. So the reason why I'm bringing you guys along is because I'm getting ready to do this experiment. And I don't know if it's going to work or not. But y'all going to let me know today. Okay? So I have this tea kettle. That electric tea kettle that heats up water. And I want some boiled eggs to go with my crabs. So, I'm getting ready to see if I can boil some eggs in this. Yes. I'm getting ready to see something I've never seen. Yes, I'm getting ready to see. So, this tea kettle, first I'm going to put 3 eggs in there. At the bottom, this thing gets very hot. Let me move y'all so y'all can see. Let me move y'all so y'all can see. I don't know where to put y'all at. Alright. That's good enough. So this is my tea kettle. You see there's 1 egg in. There's 1 egg in. Get this stuff out y'all way. Alright. Can y'all see that pretty good? You know? This pop socket on the back. Maybe if I... Alright. Y'all, I'm trying to figure out how to use this pop socket. So, there it is. Here's the kettle. I put, if you can see on the side. Can y'all see on the side? Right there. I got 2 eggs in there. I'm gonna put a third. Heck, I'm gonna put a 4. I'm gonna put 4 eggs. No, I'm gonna put 3. Well, you know what? I'm gonna use all 4 of these eggs because that's the end of that carton. We're gonna add some water. I don't know if it's gonna work, y'all. We get ready to see. Let me get some more. I don't know if it's gonna work. But I'm gonna fill it up to the max line. And I'm gonna check 1 egg. Yeah, that's a smart idea. I need more water. I'm gonna fill it up to the line. And see if it'll actually boil. Alright, that's the max line. And then after it finished the first go round, I'm gonna take 1 egg out and shell it. So I'm gonna have my ice bath ready. Alright, what I like about this is the viewfinder, because you guys will actually get to see it boil. So maybe I should turn it around this way to get the cord out of the way. Yeah, okay, y'all see the eggs in there? And it's up to the max line. So we're gonna boil away. We'll see if it works. Well, I think I want something else. You want some ramen? So we'll have these with some crabs and boiled eggs. So the crabs are heating. I'm gonna go ahead and get my water together for the ramen. You'll be able to see when it starts boiling. Oh, it's hot. Y'all, we're doing a science project today. These are now my favorite ramen. I got these from Food Lion. Water boil. I was wondering if I had some more honey, y'all. Look what I found. I don't know if y'all ever seen this. I showed y'all this honey pot. Sharana the Goddess from YouTube sent it to me, my goddaughter. But the ants always get in there when I put my honey in it. So I'm gonna make some green tea and then make it icy. I'm gonna drop this in a cup. Look, y'all. I think we might be on to something. I'm pushing it again. Alright, so. Ooh, it looked like one of them cracked open. Do y'all see that in there? So before I do another one, we're gonna take one egg out. And this one egg that has risen to the top. And take one egg out. Oh wow, it is not done. Oh my God, look at this. Do y'all see that? Look. But some egg came out. I'm gonna do it again. Look. Whew. That thing is hot. We're gonna let the egg sit for about 10 minutes and then we'll come back. Nice and hot and reheated. And then we got the ramen. Should be done in 3 minutes. I'm gonna turn these off and cover them back. I don't know how many of these I'm gonna be able to eat, but guess what, baby? We're gonna eat good, okay? And then when I'm done, I'm gonna just pick them. So we'll be back to check on the boiled eggs. The ramen got 1 minute and 15 seconds. We chopping up some onion to go in my ramen. I want some raw, I want slices. I don't want little ones. I want to crunch my onion. Cause I got a taste for some onion. We're gonna sprinkle the onion on top of the ramen. Oh my goodness. There it is. Y'all, I'm gonna save this for my cabbage at some point in time. I want to taste this. Ooh. I'm getting ready to taste it. Come on. We're going to taste it. I'm so hungry. I can't even wait for the crabs. But let's taste this. It just has some of the soy sauce and onions. Mmm. Mmm. Yeah, onion, man. I want more onion. I know. Y'all, onions is good for your immune system. So bulk up on them babies. So let's get some ice in this pot. This is the one egg that I took out earlier out of the kettle, and then I dropped it in the noodles. Whoo! This chumpy hot as Hades. Ooh! So I'm gonna drop this right in my ramen. Yeah, I'm doing the most because this is hot as I don't know what. I know. Don't do as I do. Eggshell better in cold water. But since this raggedy anyway, we're gonna put this right in this ramen. That thing all jacked up. This about to go in the trash. My tea turned out great. It tastes so good. I'm gonna drop some ice in that. Oh yeah. I think I'm gonna let it put it in the freezer while my food cooks. While my food is cooking. When everything is done, we're gonna check them eggs. Y'all, I don't know if y'all know about that Sonic ice, but baby, it's the life. So I'm gonna give them a cold water now. We're gonna check these eggs and see if they actually cooked all the way. So we got boiled eggs, ramen, and crabs. For what it's worth, y'all, I may have just cooked them on top of the stove. Uh-oh. This is 2 rounds in the kettle. We know the outside is done. I'm all anxious, so it's ripping the shell. They're not all the way cold. Okay. So, there it is. 2 rounds in the kettle, and it set about 5 minutes. Because I was doing other things. So let's cut it open and see. Oh my goodness. Y'all look. They are fully cooked. 2 rounds in the kettle and probably about 5 minutes setting time. So we're going to do it again and time it. I am too excited, y'all. So these I'm not going to cut open because I want to eat them whole. But I just want to see if they were going to be done. So I know now in the morning, when I get up and get myself together, I can quickly boil me some eggs. What? Tea kettle experiment. And this is a Bella kettle I got from, I think, Family Dollar maybe. But you should be able to do it in any kettle. I just want to see if it will boil the eggs. And it did, y'all. How about it? How about it? I'm too freaking psyched! That would be such a great science project with Juju, y'all. Juju gonna love that. So now we're ready to eat. The eggs are done. The ramen is done, and the crabs are done. I am not doing a mukbang, but what I will do is show you what it looks like when I'm finished, is what I will do. So you heard it here. I don't know if anybody ever done it before, but I know it's my first time ever doing it. So the ramen is done, and it has soaked up all the juice from the soy sauce. We got some fresh chopped onions in there. We got some boiled eggs. Ooh, y'all, I'm so hungry. This is good to me. First meal of the day. And we'll be back. In real life, Angie in real life with 1 L. I am your hope dealer and your purpose pusher.